What's up, SHIBARMY and moneymakers? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to share some of the great news. I know that we are right now heavy in red into the crypto market, not only crypto market, but also in stock market as well. Take a look. Is it time to fight Fed? This is veteran strategist saying that the central bank won't risk a 20% drop in housing market and 30% slide in stock market. And we have seen what has been happening. Nasdaq is down almost 1%. Dow is trying to figure out where to go. If you take a look at crypto, it's down 5% as well. What I precisely want to share in this particular video is one of the great news that AMC confirmed that they're on track to accept Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. We want to also talk about why 10 million Shib coin, Shib token can be super crucial to buy at this particular point. It can make people millionaire. If not, you can definitely make $100,000 just for the investment of 100 or a couple of $100, as I'll explain a little bit more. And I want to also share about the correlation of the price point between Bitcoin. As you can take a look, we'll pull a couple of charts and I'll share precisely what price point that I'm thinking for myself and what you can think for yourself as well, and what is the correlation for both Shiba Inu and Bitcoin price point, how we are doing in terms of the greed and fear index. So hit that like button so we can share this information with more and more people, especially the AMC news. We want to share with more and more people. So hit that like button to help out with the YouTube algorithm. This video can reach to more and more people. Also, subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. Turn on the notification bell. I'm going to share one of the next 10x cryptocurrency VeChain or VET token, and you don't want to miss out because we are hitting all the crucial price point all time, not all time, but we are hitting a long time low in this particular dip that we are seeing, and I'm going to share a ton of information. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump into some of the great news. Now, AMC confirmed that they're on track to accept Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Earlier, they said that in Q1, they want to start accepting both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and CEO confirmed via Twitter, and he said that he has been repeatedly asked when AMC expects to routinely expect Dogecoin and Shiba Inu for any and all crypto payment via their website and mobile app. And here is their famous tweet that came out just before few hours ago. Adam, the CEO of AMC, mentioned that I have been repeatedly asked when AMC expects to routinely accept Dogecoin and Shiba Inu for any and all payment made via AMC's website and mobile app. I'm being told that we are still on track for the promised Q1 implementation timeline, with exact timing most likely in March. Now, mostly whenever this happens, the implementation or the development may fall a little bit behind because of the technical issue, some of the policy issues, so on and so forth. But we can expect that within next couple of months or 3, AMC will start accepting these cryptocurrencies to on their mobile app and on their website as well, which is going to connect the community once again. Remember, Shiba Inu is the cryptocurrency of people, and they have more and more and more people who have now own Shiba Inu. If you take a look, once again, we are seeing that whales are keep buying Shiba Inu. We are also seeing some of the momentum going on that Shiba Net is currently going on around the audit. Doggy DAO has been launched, which is going to give some of the much needed vocal capability or the voice to the SHIBARMY. Shiba Swap is V2 portal is about to get ready, and Shiba Inu Games, which is going to be once again a massive catalyst because it's going to connect people with each other, and we have the next AMA also coming up in February. Now, what you want to think about when you think about Bitcoin and Shiba Inu both, take a look. The Bitcoin dipped and it went up and it went once again down, and it created kind of a chart upside down U. Now, if you take a look at Shiba Inu, very similar chart. Take a look right here. Once again, it went down, it went up, and then it went again down. So it created upside down U as well. So long story short, you really want to measure where Bitcoin is going, and it's now I'm not saying it's predictable, but you can imagine that where Shiba Inu will go at the same time. Now, if you think about this particular price point, 0.000028, you can buy $290 worth of Shiba Inu, and you will get probably 10 million tokens for Shiba Inu. Now, what you want to consider is many people have been talking about that Shiba Inu can hit 1 cent in foreseeable future. Now, remember, what it does is when it hits 1 cent, you're looking at almost $100,000. So $290 turns into $100,000. Now, if you're willing to take the risk of $300, you can play this game if it doesn't wake you up at night. For me, I may do that because there are two ways you can play this game. One is you hold it. If it doubles and triples, you sell partial investment and then run for free. So you have zero money into the game and you may earn $50,000, which is half of this. Now, that is infinite rate of return because you do not really have the money into the game out of your own pocket. But what you're running on is the profit, and you can ride the wave all the way through and see what happens. Now, another thing you want to notice that Shiba Inu, this is once again a very crucial price point for Shiba Inu. Take a look. It went to 2.9, went back up. Once again, it tried 2.829, went back up. Third time it happened, 2.829, it went back up. If you take a look at 1 year chart, you should be able to see very similar thing. Once we were at 2.829, that becomes kind of a very strong support level, and it does not go below that. And last time we saw that it spiked up all the way to the 8 and 9 level, which was massive. Now we got back down, and once again, it's not only Shiba Inu, the entire crypto market went down, and right now we are trying to figure out where we go. But this is, I think, in my opinion, a pretty good price point. Now, if you want to also remember the fear and greed index. Right now, we are in extreme fear with the index of 18. Last month, we were in fear 28. Last week, we were in fear 28. Yesterday, we were in fear, extreme fear rather, 15. And right now, we are also almost at that price, at that index value with extreme fear. Now, everyone is going to sell, and people may tend to forget. People tend to forget when there is everything is going red, everything is dipping, that the fundamental value of not only cryptocurrency, for stocks or cryptocurrency or any valuable asset commodities, nothing changes. What changes is the sentiment. Now, if you can hold it for long enough, you can get the return on the money. Now, if you think about why the whales are buying, now, once again, speculation that this whale has $300 million worth of Shiba Inu into their book of business, into their portfolio on their address. Now, what they're probably thinking is Shiba Inu is going to hit all-time high. We all know that. At that time, this 300 million US dollars will convert or turn into $1 billion. Now, this is once again pure speculation. You want to do your own due diligence, but this is one of the idea that I just got what Well might be thinking. We have been seeing that looks like whales are hungry for Shiba Inu because of some of the major catalysts, including AMC start going to accept Shiba Inu. It may launch on Robinhood. We have seen that Shiba Swap V2 is coming. We also see that the games are going to get launched, which will connect the community. Take a look, 23 million Shib burnt in past day, 50 million also burnt in the last 4 days. I know it's not a ton of Shib token, but we started into the right direction. So that is going to also add up more and more. In past 24 hours, the total Shiba Inu that we have started seeing burn is 12 million within 8 transactions. So far, 410 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, which is 41% of the total supply, has been burned. Now, when we say it's burned, it stands to a void address, which cannot be accessed by anyone else, which means it's no longer in the circulation, and that helps reducing the number of total circulation supply for Shiba Inu token that you want to understand. There's a ton of catalysts coming up for Shiba Inu. Once again, you really want to remember that whales are buying at this particular price point, and they know what they're doing. There's next AMA coming up in February as well, which is going to create a ton of buzz around Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu surpassed 1.1 million Shib token holder, which is once again massive that you want to remember, because once again, it is becoming a cryptocurrency of a household. Not only that, we saw that it was one of the most viewed cryptocurrency, most searched cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap that surpassed Bitcoin. CoinMarketCap is one of the very popular platform that everyone is looking into. So you want to think about where the community is going, which is going to be once again massive. It also started showing the sign of gift into Robinhood, so it will happen sometime soon. So you don't want to miss that particular event. Whenever it happens, you may think that Shiba Inu will hit 2 to 3x, and it can jump up just in no time. So think about all that, where we are going with what we are doing with Shiba Inu. I hope you like this video. I hope you get some value out of it. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.